Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have Zach Bryan here. We released a couple songs from his album recently, and we're gonna wrap it up here pretty much with this last, I believe it would be last song from his album on Gordon Guitar for now, Like Ida. Alright, so it fits guitar very well, this song. Only 3 chord and an easy strumming pattern, that's it. So yeah, we just had to have Like Ida here on Gordon Guitar. Let's start this one up. No need for any capo here. All right, so G, D, and C. That's the chords we need to learn. So let's start with G. That is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. D, it goes open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. And finally C, 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Alright, so we have a strumming pattern we need to learn. It goes through the entire song, and if you grab the first chord, the G, one string around will be very easy. So down, a short pause, and then up, down, up. That is 1 round. You're gonna play 2 strumming rounds per chord, all right? So that is what's going on here in this song. And we have 2 different parts of this song. So we have the verse play and the chorus play. Let's take a look at the verse play first. And like I said, 2 strumming rounds per chord, like this. Okay, so it starts with G, then D, then C, and then back to G. That is 1 chord progression round, okay? So a couple of rounds of the verse goes G, D, C, and back to G. That's how we handle the verse. Now the final part, the chorus, C, G, D, and G. All right, and that's it. So C, G, D, G. There you have it, guys, the verse and the chorus, strumming pattern, 3 chords, and that's it. Zach Bryan's Like Ida. Hope you enjoyed it. Feel free to support me here at Gordon Guitar and play tuned.